Subtopic 2.4, main organ for photosynthesis. Okay, as we know, plants are autotrophic organisms, so that the plants will produce their own food through photosynthesis. And the product of photosynthesis, which is glucose, is used by other organisms to generate energy through oxidation of food. Energy is needed to carry out living processes such as growth and reproduction. So, siapa yang mula-mula memperkenalkan fotosintesis ni ada dalam your textbook, page 40. Okay, photosynthesis is discovered by Jean Baptista van Helmont. Okay, he carried out an experiment to test the idea that plants obtain their food from the soil. Okay, so in the years 1772, experiment conducted by Joseph Priestley showed that plant release oxygen to the atmosphere. So starting from this lah, mereka memperkenalkan kita kepada proses photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis need chlorophyll to absorb light energy from the sun, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and water from the soil. And oxygen is released as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Okay, so in this subtopic, you must able to justify the necessity of photosynthesis in plants. Why plants need to carry out photosynthesis? Okay, the reason are first, providing the basic food source in ecosystems. Okay, this is the first necessity why plants carry out the photosynthesis, to providing the basic food source in ecosystem. Because plants are producers in ecosystem and they serve as the basic food source for other organisms. Okay, macam kita lah, kita makan sayur-sayuran, dalam sayur-sayuran ada makanan simpanan, okay, dan kita gunakan. Okay, so that kita katakan plants are the producers in ecosystem. Second reason, to maintain energy flow in ecosystem. Okay, kita nak kekalkan semua perjalanan tenaga yang ada dalam ekosistem. Okay. During the photosynthesis, light energy is trapped by plants. Then the light energy is converted to chemical energy that is stored in plants. The chemical energy is transferred along food chain and is eventually lost as heat to the surroundings. Okay, dia nak mengekalkan the energy flow dalam ekosistem. Masa photosynthesis, kita gunakan tenaga daripada cahaya matahari yang trapped by plants, okay, chlorophyll trap. Then tenaga cahaya ni kita convert to the chemical energy. How? By the photosynthesis. Okay, dia dah jadi glucose, maksudnya dia sudah disimpan dalam bentuk chemical energy. And this chemical energy is transferred along food chain. Maksudnya macam ni, okay, tumbuhan ni, arnab ni, first consumer, dia makan tumbuhan. Dalam ni dah ada chemical energy. So that tenaga ini sudah flow pergi kepada arnab. So that kita kata the chemical energy is transferred along food chain. Okay. Third reason, to maintain an oxygen and carbon dioxide balance in our ecosystem. Okay, so photosynthesis ni pun penting sangat nak pastikan oksigen dengan carbon dioksida dekat kita punya atmosphere ni balance. Not so much carbon dioxide, okay, not lack of the oxygen. How photosynthesis maintain? Okay, plant they remove carbon dioxide. from atmosphere by photosynthesis. This slowing global warming. Why we said the plant remove carbon dioxide from atmosphere? Because plant use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis process. So that dia dah remove the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Dengan cara apa? Dengan dia gunakannya dalam photosynthesis process. Okay, second one, photolysis of water during the photosynthesis process by plant release the oxygen that all aerobic organisms require for aerobic respiration. Okay, so this is how the oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in the oxygen cycle or in the atmosphere. Okay, so that is the necessities of the photosynthesis in plant. Why plant needs carry out photosynthesis? I repeat, first is to provide the basic food source in ecosystem. Second, to maintain the energy flow in the ecosystem. Third, to maintain an oxygen and carbon dioxide balance. Okay, now we are going to the next subtopic or next learning standard. Okay, in this subtopic, we will learn how the adaptation of the internal structure of a leaf to photosynthesis. Macam mana daun itu dia boleh adapt untuk menjalankan proses photosynthesis. Okay, this is the leaf. A lot of leaf here. Dekat satu pokok ada banyak sangat daun. So, how all these leaf, okay, can adapt for the photosynthesis process. Okay, now look at the structure of the leaf. Kita dah belajar the structure of the leaf, the internal structures of the lamina leaf. Okay, we learned already in the previous lesson. So now kita nak tengok the leaf adaptation for the photosynthesis. Okay, first the arrangement. Okay, the leaf arrangement is the mosaic arrangement. Okay, mosaic arrangement, susunan dia. Okay, what is the function of the mosaic arrangement? Mosaic arrangement of the leaf. Then leaf lamina. The characteristic of the leaf lamina, broad and flat, thin, waxy cuticle layer. This is how leaf lamina adapt to the photosynthesis. Midrib and veins support and spread the leaf lamina. Okay. Mosaic arrangement of leaf. How the mosaic arrangement of leaf can be adaptation for the photosynthesis process. One, minimize overlapping of leaf. Okay, susunan dia yang cantik berbentuk mozaik itu akan mengurangkan pertindihan overlapping of the leaf. So that when less overlapping of the leaf, so that the photosynthesis can carry out very successfully. Maximize leaf exposure to sunlight. So bila the overlapping dia minimize, so that macam mana photosynthesis tu boleh menjadi sangat optimum, kerana bila tak ada overlapping, maksimum daun yang boleh terdedah kepada cahaya matahari. Okay, leaf lamina. How the leaf lamina adapt to the photosynthesis? Broad and flat. Why? Provide a large surface area for absorption of sunlight. Thin, to allow the gases and light to reach mesophyll cell easily. Okay, sebab dia sangat nipis, so gas senang nak masuk, cahaya matahari pun senang nak masuk untuk masuk ke dalam mesophyll cell. Why mesophyll cell? Because a lot of chloroplast there. Okay. Then cuticle. Okay, waxy, waterproof and transparent. Okay, so that dia boleh prevent the loss of water during the photosynthesis process. Okay, reduce the water loss and more light penetration. Okay, this is the how leaf lamina adapt to the photosynthesis process. Okay. So, in order to photosynthesis efficiently, a leaf needs an efficient means of absorbing light energy. Maksudnya dia perlu absorb tenaga cahaya matahari yang sangat maksimum. Untuk pastikan photosynthesis can carry out efficiently. Second one, a method for exchange of gases between the leaf and its surrounding. The third one, a way of transporting water to the leaf. The last one, a system for the removal of glucose so that it can be transported to other parts of the plants.